हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज बात करते हैं पावर ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग की। सो गाइस, इफ यू इन्वेस्ट 5,000 रुपीज अ मंथ, हाउ मच इट विल बिकम आफ्टर 20 ईयर्स। ये क्वेश्चन सबके मन में आता है कि अगर मैं 5,000 रुपीज या 10,000 रुपीज हर महीने इन्वेस्ट करूंगा तो 20 ईयर्स में मुझे कुछ मिलेगा भी या नहीं मिलेगा। गाइस, द पावर ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग इज ट्रिमेंडस। यू हैव नो आइडिया व्हाट द पावर ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग इज। फॉर एग्जांपल, if you have 5,000 rupees a month to invest in, okay, in a particular fund. So your monthly investment is 5,000, your investment period is 20 years, and the expected return that is assumed, because that is based on the market trend or market return basically. Okay, so I'm expecting the investment return is the investment expected return is 12% per annum. So total amount invested is 12 lakh rupees. Now comes the surprising part. Guess karo guys, after 20 years investing 5,000 rupees a month at 12% per annum, how much will you get? 20 lakh, 25 lakh, 30 lakh? यही दिमाग में आ रहा होगा आप लोग। No, the answer is 50 lakhs. Okay, 5,000 rupees invest करके you will get 50 lakh. This is not a joke guys. This is the power of compounding. How it is to be done? So this is you can do it via SIP calculator. There are a lot of SIP calculators available of Bajaj, HDFC, ICICI. You can check there as well. I will give you the link as well. Okay, so this means that nearly 76% of your wealth came from growth, not from the money you invested. Okay, think about that. You invested only 12 lakh. Okay, but compounding worked so hard that it added 38 lakh on its own. Okay, so if you start today, start today till 20 years, your corpus is 50 lakh. If you start after 5 years, so you will get 15 years, because 5 years has been elapsed, so your corpus would be 25 lakh. If you start after 10 years, your corpus would be 11.5 lakh. A delay of 10 years can cost you nearly 38 lakh in potential wealth. So why delay? So there's a saying that Albert Einstein reportedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Just true actually. Whether or not he actually said it, the lesson remains true. The earlier you start, the less you need to invest. Okay. So the challenge is, what age did you start investing? Or if you haven't started yet, who is stopping you? And also guys, I will be sharing with you the lot of the top best performing mutual funds in the industry as of now, because the scenario is not so very good because of the Middle East crisis and other oil crisis etc. So the scenario may be not so good, but ठीक है, जो as of now currently best performing है, I'm sharing it to you. You can view it in your screen as well. It is visible on your screen as well. Okay, so you can take a look at it. Do your own research. Don't take my suggestions. Do your own research and invest wisely and invest properly. Thank you so much guys.